Tonight, let's make a Velveeta Skillet Philly cheesesteak, shall we? We're going to need a couple ingredients though, so let's get what we need first. Alright, so to make this, we're going to need 1 pound of ground beef and 1 box of Velveeta Skillet's Philly cheesesteak, as well as 2 cups of water. So let's brown our ground beef, shall we? Alright, so what we're going to do is put this on medium-high heat to warm up, and then we're going to, once the pan gets to medium-high heat, we're going to brown our ground beef. We will cook it for 5 minutes on this side, breaking it up real fast. Don't mess with it while it's cooking for the first 5 minutes. Unless you're going to break it up smaller, but then you got to cook it all. So put it in, set the timer for 5 minutes, cook one side so that it can brown. And wash your hands. After 5 minutes, we will flip the hand. Set your timer for 5 minutes, breaking it up, of course. Once our ground beef is brown, we will add 2 cups of water. As well as our noodles and our seasoning. Then we'll mix this up. Like so. We'll bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat. Once it comes to a boil, we will put a lid on it, turn it down to a simmer, and set the timer for 9 to 11 minutes. Don't forget you need to mix this up so that way it gets well coated. After 9 minutes, this is how mine came out. We're cooking it till most of the water is absorbed, as it seems to be here. So we will remove this from the heat, turn this off, remove this from the heat, and grab our cheese. Is this good? Let's grab us a fork and try, shall we? That is creamy and cheesy, and oh my goodness. If you'd like to leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. I hope you have a great time and enjoy your food.